How to download Lyft app. So if you want to download Lyft app, then first of all you need to check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you won't be able to download it. So check the internet connection, and after that you can open up your Play Store application. And after opening, now here on the upper side you will have the search bar. Simply tap on that search bar and then search for Lyft. And here you will have this application, right? So if you want to download this application, then you will have an install button. Simply tap on that, and now it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. And after downloading, you can simply go for open, which is on the right side, and then you can sign up to your account or sign in, or you can use that. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.